Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Another amazing recipe of DMSO. In my videos I decided to share with you. After I did it, I tried it and it really worked, so I just decided that I had to share my experience here with you. I know that DMSO recipes very few across the internet. You're not able to find many of the different recipes from DMSO for different kinds of purposes. So whatever that we get, I think that we should come and share it for all the other people. So this is one of them, and I want to tell you quickly. It's very easy and everyone can do. If you are suffering from the back pain, from the joint and muscle pain, this could help, because my husband was suffering from the back pain for many years, and he tried so many treatments and physiotherapy and many things, scans, all the things, but they could not help it. And so after I knew about DMSO, I said, just let's try it with DMSO and see how it works. And it really worked, and it's much better. The pain that he was suffering from, it was due to some exercises that he did in the gym, and it just caused this problem. So quickly, what you need for this recipe is distilled water. It's DMSO 99.9%, of course, pure pharmaceutical version. And also you need Sacred Frankincense essential oil. This one is already the one that I prepared it and is ready to go. And what you need to do first, you need to mix the distilled water with DMSO in the ratio of 80%. What does it mean? It means, for example, if you want to prepare 100 ml of the full solution, you need 80% DMSO and 20% distilled water, which is a kind of powerful solution for using on the skin. But for the joint pain, this is what you need to prepare. So for example, for 100 ml you use, very easy, 80 ml of DMSO and 20 ml of distilled water, and you just mix it. Once you mix that one, you add the Sacred Frankincense essential oil, which is anti-inflammatory oil, very good for the joint and muscles. So you need to add between 2 to 5 drops of this oil into this solution and mix it, and there you go. It's ready to use every single day or night. I was using it every night before the bedtime, just rubbing it to the area that was paining, rubbing until it just absorbs to the skin, and that's it. So easy. One thing that you need to pay attention: the frankincense essential oil is different than Sacred Frankincense essential oil. So you will be able to find a normal essential oil at a reasonable price, but if you want to buy a Sacred Frankincense essential oil, it will be much more expensive, because it's the essence of the frankincense, and it's really more intense and powerful. So you can find the price of this oil somewhere between probably 70 to more than hundreds of pounds. It's just depends. So if you really want something that really works, you need to buy the real product. So just keep that in your mind. I'll link down below at the description box of the video link to buying the pure DMSO, distilled water, and also Sacred Frankincense essential oil, that you can just go to your country of residence, to the link below, and get it if you would like to. And you always want to keep your recipes with DMSO in the glass container. If you are using a normal glass container, please keep it away from the light, sunlight, daylight. Keep it in a dark and dry place. So I did not have at that point any proper container. Usually I'm using UV glass containers with the glass dropper. Even I'm not using a plastic dropper, because you should avoid any plastic to be touched with your DMSO or DMSO solutions. So if you do not have it, just put it on a normal glass container and keep it away from the light, and then you just take it. Of course, it's not easy to take from such container. If it had a dropper, it would be much easier, but anyway, I didn't have any option. So yeah, this is the mixture, which is amazing. Just rub it to the different areas of your body that it needs attention, massage it, and that's it, you're done. So just keep doing it probably for 2 weeks, and then you will see the dramatic change that is going to happen to you. But one more important thing before I finish the video: please, 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 if you are under any medicine, prescribed medicine, or you are under any medical observation, before using any kind of DMSO on your body, please consult your doctor, because DMSO will affect your whole body, not only that area, that very area that you want to. It definitely will have some other effect throughout your body. So if you are under any observation, medical observation, it doesn't matter even if you want to put the DMSO on your skin, you must inform your doctor and make sure that it's okay for you to go ahead and do it. Okay, I hope you benefit from this, and until the other videos and more recipes from DMSO, hopefully, take care.